Many of you ask me how to make flat laminate floor or vinyl floor with tiles. So here is a very good example when kitchen and bathroom in one level tiles, but between tiles and bathroom we have a very deep spot and need to make nice level. So here is the underlayment and laminate floor which I have to install flat with these both tiles. So you see, level both sides of tile and in kitchen and bathroom level. You see bulb between two lines, this is exactly level. So now how to match the height in between these tiles. I put sand to this concrete subfloor and then take some piece of underlay and laminate floor and slide under the straight edge which I put to both sides of tiles. So it's not enough and I put a little bit more. So I have to match the height. I just push it a little bit down. You see? Now I have exactly dimension how I have to put self-leveling compound. So now I am using tripods. This is very amazing tool. So you see the bottom plate on the central bolt. I just put this bottom plate exactly to just attach the sand. This is what the height I have to level here. So now I have to remove this sand. Very easy. And then I can start level. You see how big gap between these two tiles. So part of it we have to fill up with self-leveling compound. Now I put laser to the tiles and set up tripod on the place what I measured, and then I make mark on the pencil to transfer this line and this height to another tripod. Very easy. So I put pencil to the bottom plate, another tripod, and raise a little bit up the central bolt. That's it. The both tripods is settled. Don't forget block the this room where you have to level from another rooms to avoid any leaks of self-leveling compound. Also I fill up all cracks. You see the white lines, and I put primer for better bonding self-leveling compound with all concrete. So when it's dry I mix the self-leveling compound. This bucket exactly for one bag of self-leveling compound. How to mix self-leveling compound you can find instruction on each bag. So my goal to fill up self-leveling compound exactly to this bottom plate. When I fill it up I remove the tripod and use a roller, spike roller. This roller make more flat this self-leveling compound. If somebody is thinking like when I put self-leveling compound, and because it's self-leveling it can be spread by themselves. No, you have to use some special tools. In description for this video you can find link for these tripods which is help you to level any concrete floor or wood subfloor. Spike shoes and spike ruler you can get for free. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any question, don't hesitate, ask me, I always answer you. See you in next video.